Hello sushi lovers family, namaste and greeting from Sushi Man Santosh. In this sushi recipe video, I'm gonna show you how to make very delicious spicy salmon sushi roll with different ingredients. If you really like this video, please don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel and share with your sushi lovers friends. Okay, let's move to the topic. First of all, I'm gonna place sushi rice on rough side of nori, seaweed. Normally for uramaki sushi roll, I always use 100 gram sushi rice. Then I'm gonna use cucumber, so here is cucumber. That is the malageta, colorful fresh chili. You can see here I have yellow, red and green as well. Also I have your small salmon block for sushi roll and I have spicy mayo as well. Okay, let's spread the sushi rice on nori. If you want to see detailed video about how to make spicy mayo and other simple sushi sauce recipe, you can check link on my description box. Now I'm gonna flip it and gonna put ingredients. First I will use cucumber, then I'll make tira from the salmon block. Okay, let's put salmon and spicy mayo with cucumber on center of alga. Now time to roll it. For sushi rolling techniques, always secure sushi mat by your thumb and second fingers and protect your ingredients with the rest of 3 fingers. Then you can roll it very carefully. If you feel your sushi roll is little loose, you can use sushi mat to make perfect and tight. And also you can push both corners to make equal shape as well. Now I'm gonna use salmon dragon neta on top of the sushi roll. And again I will give press with sushi mat to secure properly, so it cannot move, and in cutting time it will be easy. Time to cut sushi roll. For the cutting of sushi rolls, always make sure your knife is clean. First things, you have to be careful your knife should be clean and should be wet, so the sushi rice can't stick in your knife, so it will easy to cut. And I love to secure knife between 2 fingers and cut very smoothly like this. It's time to put on plate and make beautiful plating. It's malageta, I already told about it. It's a green fresh chili. Now I'm gonna cut very tiny slice to put on top of the sushi roll, and it will give very smooth and mild spiciness on eating time. That is tobiko, it's a red tobiko. Tobiko means royo from flying fish. I'll add to every sushi roll, so when you gonna bite sushi, it will give crunchiness and an extra level of textures. Not only that, with tobiko, sushi roll looks very beautiful and extra attractive. Okay, now I'm adding the ginger pickles. It's a marinated ginger pickles and wasabi paste. Yes, it's my final spicy salmon sushi roll. How is it? Do you like? I hope after watching this video about how to make sushi with Sushi Man Santosh, you're gonna try it at your home. And thank you so much for watching this simple sushi recipe video. Keep smiling, keep support to your lovely Sushi Man Santosh. Stay safe, stay healthy. See you in the next video. Have a nice day.